So we bought this one from Copart. I helped my dear friend David, say hi David.
Hi David.
To get this car, and we will do a total facelift, both inside and outside on this one, so it will look like a 2014 and later. So hang in there. So the actual reason why we take all this out is because when we transfer this car from the US to Sweden by boat, they hanged a absorber inside the car to absorb all the moist from the sea, and that absorber actually broke and got a hole in it, and all the liquid inside actually came out into the car and the interior. It ruined the seats, it ruined the floor mats. It still stinks like sea in the car, so that's actually why we will replace all the floor mats. And since both of us really like the two-tone color, we will actually do black floor mats instead of all beige. So now we're taking out the seats here, which is real simple. It's just 4 bolts on each seat, and then you detach the cables and just lift it out. And here you can see how completely ruined this leather seat is, so we will replace this seat pad.
Like a glove.
Do the final touch to the two-tone colors. And of course sport pedals later on. A bit better with the new one. and some Alcantara. This is the first part. We'll see how many it will be. So since we're doing the two-tone color treatment on the center console as well, why not change the joystick to the new one? Old one and new one. And now we start the transformation of the front, the facelift version. Disassembly.
And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Until next time, see ya.